Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to talk about expense tracker. So nothing but tracking your expenses in a Excel sheet or Google Sheets. I'm going to use Microsoft Excel. So it's just very simple. I used it last year to track my expenses to cut down and try to improve myself. So I am just going to use an Excel, but if you want to follow through, you can follow and try to do it yourself. If not, obviously the Excel sheet will be available in the link in the description when the video is published. You can just click it and directly download it and then know the rules and then use it as you want. But if not, you just want to learn how to do this so that you change it however you like, like your requirements. So my requirements is very simple, just like buying groceries and some payments like gym memberships, and then any other payments like rent payments, very simple payments like that, and then trying to calculate on a monthly basis for this year. So that's all. Without any further ado, let's just dive deep to see what's the procedure. So I spoke, this is my Excel sheet for the previous year. So this is in French, but don't worry, it's as you want. You can change it as you want. Um, it's very simple and very not very exotic, I guess. For me, it's personal, so I'm just keeping it very simple. Just gonna type. It just works like when you type anything here, like for example, this is the expenses. You can just type, for example, you can put the date and then tell what is the expense and the amount and then the category and then the month and end. This, don't worry. Category is the one which is here. We say, for example, this is eating outside. Let's say you are going to eat outside. You want to track that, you just put that here. And then when you make an expense like that, you just type it like here to have a little bit of more category, and you might understand once I get into this. So this is for the new year, obviously. So here I'm, yeah, happy new year first of all. Then let's go into it. So I'll just first rename the sheet and give it a name which is summary. It's good, summary. And then maybe we'll take stuff here and then do the same things. Okay, we'll keep it as this, and then we'll go to Jan 2023. Feb 2023. And do the same. July, August, October, December. Perfection. Ain't it beautiful? Then now we'll just leave it here for the categories, like the same thing that we did here, like the same, basically the same. So we'll just leave that for now. Then like the same, we'll select it to be the total to be here. Okay, give to, we'll write a total here. We'll have a total, and then the same for now. To be simplistic, we'll have a total here. We'll have a total here. Then just select this auto sum entire columns. Enter. Then do the same. The same. Perfection. Just to check. Yeah, just to check, it's perfection. It's good. Works perfectly well. Then we'll do the same thing here. Some Okay, perfection. Then we'll do the same. Just check the same. 1, 2. Perfection. It's good. Looks good. So now we made this very simple. Now we'll just write a month, put a month here, because once you will understand once you see it. So for that we'll just write a formula which is nothing but equal to month of no, I'm sorry, I wrote the no. Month of give the date of this one, which is E7. Month of E7. Month of E7. Then minus, I'm sorry, you have to give 2 ampersand. Then in the middle you have to give a minus under the quotes. You go there, minus, you give a quotes, then come again, and then type year. Sorry, I'm just pressing enter. I don't know why I'm just getting trigger happy. Month E7 and 2, yes, minus, then year, and then in the column you give the E7 thing here. Now it's perfect. You will understand once what is this, so don't get too intimidated by that. We'll do the same thing here. Okay, perfection. We'll give a save. Then once this is done, we'll create a new sheet like that, and then give the name expenses, and then we will start by date, and then give all the names that you want to do. Date, expense, and then whatever you want, but I want to be amount, and then go on with category. I'll go category, or you can also add a note. I'll just add a note for saying which it was a cash or a card, because I want to track it. This is that much, and then before this we'll just add month slash year. Is it month slash year? I think. Let me just quickly check it. Month hyphen here. So month hyphen year. Just double click it. Month hyphen here. Yeah, I think this is good. Month hyphen year, and then note. Note, it's good. Now we just go back to the save it. I'll just go here. Then what we will do is that we will start from here, I guess. This is good. Yeah, so here, and then we will start to write some. Before that, I'll just check the categories, how the category looks. Totally the same. Okay. I'll just write for the moment here. I'll just write. You can write anything you want. I'm just writing eating outside, like in the hotels, I mean. So for that, and then I'll write a formula, which is nothing but equal to sums if, I believe, sum if is, I'm sorry, sum if s, then open parentheses, go to expense, then the thing that we want to click is exactly the amount, and then click F4, perfection, 4, and then we give a comma. We give a comma in the first range, and then we go to month and year, and then click F4 again. Once this is done, we add a comma, obviously, and then go to summary now, and then what you do is you just look for this stuff, click, and then now make sure that you click twice F4, which is 1, 2, twice, perfection, and then you go to category, you give a comma, then you go back to expense, click category, and then click it F4 once, then give a comma, go to summary, hit it, and give F4 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then you just basically close it. Yes, that's it. I think now you just do the same. Just write some things to check it. If it's okay, just check it. It's an expense. Writing 2, 1, 2023. Expense is no expenses. Let's just write. I will just write a restaurant name nearby. And then give 10 euros. Category will be let's check it. Let me just check the formula once again. Without any doubt, I'll just copy this. For you, don't worry, this will be available if you want. This will be obviously available for you. You can just directly download the Excel sheet. You can just directly download the Excel sheet, so you don't have to worry about anything. So this is done. Copy paste. Control C. So I put okay. I think this works for the moment, but we don't have to worry. We'll just check it quickly. I'm just making this just to be, because I'm using this for the whole year, so it's good now. Okay. I think there might be an error in the stuff. We'll just check quickly. Of expenses of C2. Expense of E9. Yes, obviously it works perfectly. Summary sheet is the one we need to look for. Expenses, okay, yeah. Why doesn't, we'll just copy the formula. Okay. See, go here. What is the error? I'll just paste it here to compare it. Some expense CC, yes. Expense yes. Yeah, it's perfectly normal then. What is the problem that we face? Expenses, obviously, summary. Yeah, I think it's perfectly fine. If some F expense C, forget the expenses. Expenses is the one that we need. Expenses, see expenses. Yes. Troubleshooting. E12. E9. Yeah, E9. Yeah, E6, perfection. Summary. C9. Yeah, and then why this it's not working? CCEEDD. CCEEDD. think it should work now. I think this works well, but what's the problem here? The error that I was facing was nothing but you need to, when I clicked, if you noticed, when I clicked, I was clicking this category. You have to click the entire category by clicking this. So that was the error. So now it's fixed. Now, as you can see, the formula is changed. As you can see, it's just one because I clicked the first column. Now it's the entire. Now I'll just copy paste it. As you can see, it's done now. This will be the same for everything. Definitely different to each of them. 10 and 10 and 15. I'm sure this is not the way you give it to your boss or something. This is for yourself, so you'll just do the same. Control D will do the job. Sorry for that. Once this is done, you can add as many as you want. I'll just give this Excel in the Git. Then this is done mostly, and then you can keep it a little bit nice by selecting the entire thing. Then giving it I think it's in the home. Giving it a $sign. No, sorry about that. Give $sign, or yeah, I'll give you. I think that's it. You can add, or you can make it a little bit more beautiful by selecting this and bring it down, making it a little bit nice to view it, and keeping them bold. You can do that as well to make it a little bit nice. Everything is bold. You do a bold, and then you can add colors as well as you want, like I had done here. Sky's the limit. So I hope this was helpful. If you don't want to go through all this stuff, the Excel will be available in my Git. You can just directly download it and use it. Thank you. Bye everyone.